Golden milk latte, also known as turmeric milk, is an Indian drink that has been gaining popularity in Western cultures. This recipe for a creamy turmeric latte, also known as golden milk or turmeric milk, is a delicious and warming Indian beverage. In Hindi, golden milk is called haldi ka doodh. Haldi means turmeric and doodh means milk. Also known as turmeric milk, this warming beverage is made with hints of warming spices. The recipe for the golden milk latte is near and dear to my heart because it was something my mom would make for me when I was a kid. A cup of golden milk before bedtime was part of my routine, and I have fond memories of drinking it. This easy golden milk recipe can be enjoyed anytime but makes for a particularly delicious nighttime beverage to help you wind down from your day. The golden milk latte ingredients are: 1. Turmeric milk is traditionally made with whole milk but can easily be substituted with dairy-free milk, such as almond milk, oat milk, or coconut milk. 2. The ground turmeric should have high oil content and a high percentage of curcumin. 2. For making a golden milk latte, Vegaon turmeric is delicious. 3. Use ground cinnamon with a pleasing aroma. 4. Fresh or ground ginger both work well. 5. Powdered black pepper is to be used. 6. Both honey or jaggery can be added as natural sweetness for making golden milk. Let me explain the process of how to prepare a golden milk latte. For a single serving of golden milk you have to take 1. 1/2 cup 120 milliliters of unsweetened milk of your choice. 2. 1 teaspoon of powdered turmeric. 3. 1 small piece of grated fresh ginger or half a teaspoon of ginger powder. 4. 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. 5. 1 pinch of black pepper. 6. 1 teaspoon of honey or 10 grams jaggery. It is very easy to prepare the golden milk. After simmering for 10 minutes, reduce the heat and allow the milk stock to cook slowly for another 10 to 15 minutes. Pour your favorite cocktail milk with turmeric powder into glasses or cups, add a pinch of cinnamon, and serve. Did you know the benefits of golden milk latte? Golden milk is a delicious beverage loaded with antioxidants that may provide several health benefits, ranging from a healthier brain and heart to stronger bones, improved digestion, and a lower risk of disease. Did you know the benefits of turmeric milk with jaggery? Turmeric acts as a natural painkiller for joint and muscle aches because of its anti-inflammatory properties and helps improve bone health. Regular intake of turmeric milk with jaggery can help build stronger bones and reduce arthritic and osteoporotic pain in the knees, back, hips. People generally ask me when should we drink turmeric milk. Turmeric milk is most effective when taken before bedtime. The warm milk helps to soothe and relax the body, while the turmeric reduces inflammation and promotes healing. Drinking turmeric milk before bed can also help to improve sleep quality and reduce stress levels. Also, many young ladies ask me about the side effect of golden milk latte pregnancy. Turmeric during pregnancy is likely safe when people consume it in the amounts typically present in foods and drinks. Most experts agree that pregnant women should avoid consuming the medicinal quantities of curcumin that supplements contain.